the head this way. Spin around. There, little smiles up. A little tilt of the head this way. There we go. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Give me your arms crossed. Just like that. Good. Got it. Perfect. Now, the weight's on your other foot. Right there, right there. Little smiles up. Tilt your head this way. Arms crossed again. Excellent. Good. Here, turn your face a little more. Right there, smiles. Good, I like that. Perfect. There we go. There we go. I got smiles too. Good, hands down. Excellent. Good. All right, you're done.